Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious teriyaki chicken wings. First, prepare your wings by giving them a good rinse under cold water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels to ensure crispy skin. Next, get your oven ready. Set it to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial high heat is crucial for achieving that perfect golden crispiness. While the oven preheats, you can gather all the remaining ingredients for our homemade teriyaki sauce and have them ready for the next step. Let's create our amazing homemade teriyaki sauce. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and 1/4 cup of packed brown sugar. Stir in 2 cloves of freshly minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of grated fresh ginger for a delightful aromatic kick. Whisk in a slurry of 1 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in 2 tablespoons of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring constantly until it visibly thickens, which typically takes around 5 minutes. Now it is time to get your wings ready for the oven. Arrange the prepared chicken wings in a single layer on a wire rack set over a sturdy baking sheet. This allows for excellent air circulation, crucial for crispy skin. Place the baking sheet into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven and let them bake for an initial 25 minutes. After this, carefully flip each wing over. Return them to the oven to bake for an additional 20 minutes, ensuring they are evenly cooked and golden. Your wings should now be beautifully golden and mostly cooked. Remove them from the oven, then reduce its temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, pour about 1/2 cup of your homemade teriyaki sauce over the hot wings. Toss gently to ensure every piece is thoroughly coated. Return the glazed wings to the oven for a final 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the sauce to caramelize and become wonderfully sticky. Serve these delectable teriyaki chicken wings immediately, garnished with toasted sesame seeds and fresh chopped green onions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.